Hi, welcome to Tagatoronto, where you'll find the streets of Ontario, foods, paintings, different places, and many more. Hi, Tagatoronto here. Make it a habit that you always wash the vegetables. Look how dirty it is. Here I'm cooking lotus roots with coconut milk, and I'm gonna prepare the salmon with spices like this. Also, we're gonna use butter to fry the Brussels sprouts. Let's char it a bit like this. Then we can add the white part of bok choy and coconut milk and also the Brussels sprouts like that. After a few minutes, we can add the squash on it. On the other hand, we can fry the salmon. Let's make it crispy a bit on all sides like this. Yes. Keep it golden brown like that. Then we can add the okra, bok choy leaves, and the salmon on the coconut milk like this. There you go, our fried salmon with the squash and coconut milk is ready! Hi, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you will receive an automatic notification. Thank you very much and always take care.